Hello and welcome back to the OVOP Kyrgyzstan YouTube channel. Today we are in the Issyk-Kul region and will be introducing you to our felt production and dyeing processes. This area is home to Issyk-Kul, the second largest saltwater lake on Earth. The region is also home to rich and pristine nature, so much so that it is covered under UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Among the biodiversity of the region is a large population of sheep that produce merino wool, a material that is renowned for its high quality and exceptional softness. Wool and felt have a long history in Kyrgyzstan and are used for a variety of traditional practices. Felt is used for building yurts, one of the most essential points of Kyrgyz culture. As you can see here, the outer part of the yurt is made from felt, which insulates the inside and protects it from the outside elements. Our members use the same high-quality Kyrgyz wool to handcraft beautifully designed, natural products. Our wool is harvested from merino sheep in mountainous pastures called Jailo across the mountains of Kyrgyzstan. The pristine nature found in Jailo offers clean water, nutritious food, and wide space for the sheep to graze at altitudes exceeding 2,000 meters. The sheep are carefully shorn by hand, one by one. Once the wool is harvested, our members begin the thorough cleaning process. Water with soap or detergent is used to remove the majority of dust, dirt, or other debris. Next comes the carding process, in which wool is disentangled, cleaned, and mixed into one continuous web. After carding, wool becomes much easier to work with. Wool needs to be carded several times with a machine in order to be manufactured into final products. Now that the wool is washed and carded, we use our series of natural, chemical-free dyes to color it. All of our dyes are made entirely of plant-based ingredients. We take plants that grow naturally around Issyk-Kul, like espersic grass, apricot leaves, madder roots, or walnut leaves, and make beautiful and vibrant dyes. Here, we can see a part of the coloring process using our dye made with espersit, a plant that naturally grows in the mountains of Kyrgyzstan. This dye produces a beautiful and delicate green color. Recently, we've also adopted a dyeing method using Kyrgyz woad leaves to produce a beautiful color we call Issyk-Kul blue. To do so, we utilize the Japanese traditional aizome dyeing technique, a world-renowned method for producing beautiful indigo colors. We combine traditional Japanese techniques with local Kyrgyz materials to produce naturally and beautifully colored products. Next, the wool is weighed to ensure precisely the correct amount is used in the final product. Quality control is a vital component of OVOP's production method. We take precise measurements and pay close attention to small details to ensure consistently high-quality products. Now that we have the correct amounts of clean, dyed, and carded wool, work can start on the shaping and felting processes. Our members use two felting techniques, wet and dry. Here at the Jeti Oguz workshop, our members use the wet felting technique to handcraft products like slippers, bags, cases, or coasters. The wet felting technique has been used by Kyrgyz people for centuries. It is a process in which different layers of wool are shrunk and rolled into one piece. Soaking the wool in water and soap releases the fibers and allows them to be moved into the desired shape. Because the wool is non-woven, it can be molded and shaped like clay. We are now at the Shorebalak workshop, where our expert members use the dry needling technique to produce a variety of products ranging from animal statues to bookmarks. Unlike wet felting, the dry or needle felting technique is done by repeatedly poking the wool fiber to agitate and mold the wool without any water or soap. By poking the wool thousands of times with these special needles, the fibers tangle and bond, forming tiny knots. After repeated agitation, the fibers solidify and thicken into felt. Before finishing, we thoroughly inspect each product to ensure it is to our precise and strict standards. For example, we use pre-made molds to ensure the correct size of our animal statues. Then, we use a high-precision magnetic needle detector to ensure no metal contaminants are inside the final product. This way, we ensure our products are up to the highest possible quality and safety standards. The final products are then delivered through our logistics network to our shops in Bishkek and Karakol, as well as to our partners around the world, from Japan to the United States. We hope this video was a helpful introduction to our production process and how wool is processed into felt. If you are interested in buying any of our natural products, please visit the OVOP Business and Shopping Center in Bishkek at 140 Toktogula Street, or our Issyk-Kul brand shop in Karakol at 259 Toktogula Street. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for our future videos.